Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to install Samsung T7 portable SSD on macOS. Fully set up and formatting guide. Step 1. Connect the SSD. So plug the Samsung T7 into your Mac using the including USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to USB-A cable. Now wait a few seconds for macOS to detect the drive. Now open Finder and look for the SSD under the location in the sidebar. Step 2. Check if the driver appear. So open the disk utility, the application, then utility and the disk utility. If you see the Samsung T7 in the left sidebar, the drive is connected correctly. Step 3. Format the SSD. The optional. So if the drive is not working properly or you want to use it only with the Mac, open the disk utility and select View and Show All Devices. Now choose the Samsung T7 device, not the volume underneath it, and click Erase. Now enter a name for the drive and choose APFS, the best for Mac only use, and EXFAT, best if your app use the Windows PCs. Now set the schema to guide partition map, and click erase and wait for the process to complete. Step 4. Install Samsung Portable SSD software. So Samsung provides software for password protection, firmware update, drive management, and open the SSD in the Finder and run. The Samsung Portable SSD setup and Mac 1.0 PKG. You can also download the latest software from the Samsung support website. Step 5. Start using the drive. Open the SSD from Finder and drag and drop files to transfer them. And wait for file transfer to finish before disconnecting the drive. Step 6. Safely eject the SSD. In Finder, click the eject button next to the Samsung T7 and wait until the drive disappears from the Finder. Before unplugging it, this helps prevent data corruption or file loss. If the T7 does not show up, try a different USB port and use the original Samsung cable. And then check disk utility and system information. USB to see if the drive is detected. And restart your Mac and reconnect the SSD. Goodbye and thanks for watching.